Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you this new arbitrage and investment platform where you can actually make more than $200 every week, and this platform is known as DiMAX. So all you just need to do is to understand how this platform works. So basically, how you make money from this platform is through manual trading, Theta Bank, which is the automated means, and the referral program. The manual trading involves you carrying out all the activities on a daily basis for 28 days, which I'm also going to show you on this video. So with that being said, for you to get started on this platform, you just have to click the first link below this video. Then it will take you to this sign up page. All you just need to do is to enter your email address, your password, then you enter the security code. Remember, this code is unique, so you just have to enter it, then click on create. Then you just have to confirm your email address, you understand? Go to your email, then click on the confirm button, then wait for it to load up. And you can see that your account have been confirmed. So you just have to log in back to your account, then you fill in these details like your name, your phone number, everything, understand? You just have to fill it, then your account is ready. So the next option is to set up 2FA, which is optional, but 2FA is very important so your account don't get hacked. So when you log into the platform, this is basically how it looks like. Very easy to use, and you understand. So you can see that the home page is actually the Theta Bank, where you can carry out investments plans, you understand. So you can see that the minimum deposit is around $100 for 18 days, and you can see that for that plan you'll be earning 0.75 to 1.2% every day. Now when you click on this confirm button, you can see the summary of what you are doing. All you just need to do is to click on make, and you can see that you do not have enough funds. This is because for you to use this platform you need to deposit, so you just have to go to the wallet section, and on this wallet section you'll be able to see the option to deposit and to withdraw. So this is basically where you fund your account. So when you come to this section, you can see that there are two options, the US dollar and the Theta. Remember, when you impute the US dollars, it will reflect in Theta, so it will show you how much cryptocurrency you are depositing, you understand. So you can see that currently if I impute 110, they will tell me to deposit exactly 109.75, you understand. So make sure you play around it, then click on pay, then an address will pop out for you to deposit. So all you just need to do is to copy that address, then send crypto or USDT into that address, then come back and click confirm, which is exactly what I've done. So while you wait for deposit to arrive, when you click on this floating icon, you'll be able to see options for you to explore. When you click contact us, you'll be able to see the email, the support, and every way you can reach out to the DiMAX team, you understand, in case you have any issue. Now one thing I want you to pay attention to and understand is that this video is a sponsored video, so make sure that before you use this platform, make sure that you have done diligent research on this platform and invest what you can afford to lose, because I'm not your financial advisor. So with that being said, when I refresh this page, you can see that the deposit is successful and I'm currently having 109 USDT. So that's basically how easy it is to deposit, and within few minutes it will reflect on your account. So moving on is how to use this money to make more money for yourself. And there are two ways about it, which is basically what I've shown you. So when you click on Theta Bank, you'll be able to see that on the Theta Bank section, this your $100 that you deposit will be giving you 1.2% every day for 18 days, you understand. Then at the end of the 18 days, you'll be making between $13 to $21 at the end of the 18 days. But for the sake of this video, I will not go for it. You can actually explore other profit rates, understand. You can see that you can earn up to 1.2% to 1.5% if you're having more than $1,000 as your starting capitals, you understand. Or you can just scroll down, then you'll be able to see all the information you need to know about it. You can see that the starting capital is $100 to $3,000 for 0.75 to 1.2% daily, and for you to earn 3.9% daily, you need to have more than $30,000. So that's basically not what we want, you understand. So after you've seen the one you want to deposit, you just have to click on confirm, then confirm, you understand. You make payments and automatically it's open. Now the next option is the manual trading, which I just clicked. So on this manual trading section, you'll be doing everything manually, and this is more profitable compared to the automated, you understand. So this is the one I'll be putting this $100 to, and at the end of the 28 days, then I'll see my return. So basically, you just have to lock this money I deposited for the period of time of 28 days. So when I scroll up and click on max, you can see that my $100 is currently there, you understand. Then also again, I'll scroll up to the top side, then click on max at the top again. Then this fixed balance button will just show up for you, you understand. So all you just need to do is to click on fixed balance, then the money will be locked for 28 days. But within these 28 days, you'll be coming here daily to make transaction. Then after that, you just need to click on max to enter the entire USDT you have, and you scroll down, which you'll be able to see other crypto exchanges where you can carry that arbitrage transaction. You can see this XMO as the highest rate, so make sure you click on XMO or other higher rates except the VIP, then click on confirm, then you confirm the details. Now this arbitrage process actually takes between 3 to 5 minutes, so you just have to wait for that period of time, then refresh, and you can see that my arbitrage transaction is complete. So when I come to the swap section, you'll be able to see that I currently have $111 and 110 USDT, which means the arbitrage is successful. So what you need to do is to convert this USDT back to dollars so that it perform the arbitrage section again, you understand. And this conversion process actually takes between 20 hours, so you just have to wait for it, then confirm it, you understand. Now for you to see the progress, you just have to refresh. You can see that my balance is now empty, which is the dollars balance, you understand. So all you need to do is to scroll down to the edge, then you can see the active swap order. So it will create a bank payment, then send bank to Theta and everything, you understand, because you want to convert the USDT back to US dollars so that you can perform this arbitrage transaction again. Now if you pay close attention, you will notice that I made 1.2% on the instant on this DiMAX platform. So that's basically everything you'll be doing every day for the 28 days till your money unlock, you understand. And that is basically what this platform has to offer and how you'll be making money on this DiMAX platform. So make sure that before you put your money into this platform, make sure that you have done diligent research and have trusted this platform, or if you can take the risk like me, you can just try it out, you understand. But also remember that within these 28 days, I'll be dropping daily or weekly updates on this DiMAX platform on my Telegram community, so make sure you join them so that I'll tell you the status and everything. Although at the end of the 28 days, I'm going to make another video on this platform to show you the status and how much I've made with my $100 that I initially deposited. So make sure that you like this video and stick around by subscribing to the channel for more informative content like this. And also I would suggest you follow me on Twitter, where you can actually get more crypto updates. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.